start with our what? Bust point. Bust point is what? 10. Under bust 13. Half length 17 and half. Then from half length we measure 7. I like the fact that your tutor, you see that your tutor knows something. Oh, your guy is shaking. Oh yeah, 7. Oh yeah, then the length 5. 36 plus 2, 38. Here again, 36. 38. Oh yeah, we mark it out, Abby.
Yes.
We are leaving out our sleeve line first. Okay, so this one is what?
Bust point.
Under bust. Half length. Hip line. Down length plus 2. So now let's take what? Shoulder. My shoulder is what? 14 plus 1.
7.5.
Divide by 2.
7.5.
7.5. Mark it, right?
Yes.
7.5. Mark it. Then you measure what?
1 inch.
1 inch. You then slant it. Abby?
Yes.
So my distance is what? 8.3, right?
Yes.
8.3. That will be our what? Sleeve line. From here to you, mark it straight, right?
Yes.
Have you seen it?
Yes. We divide by 2.
This is our what? Sleeve line straight. SLS straight. This is side. So anyhow. So then you divide by 2 because we want to get our armor, right?
Yes.
But before we enter here, we need to get our bust. My bust is what?
35.
35. We added 3 because it's what? 3 down. So 38 divided by 4. 9.5, right? So this is what? This is my exact bust, Abby. So now I want to get my armor. Before I get my armor, what will I do?
Divide the sleeve line.
Divide the sleeve line into 2. That is 8.3. Yeah. So it's here. So you come back by what? Half inches. So what are you going to do now? Connect this place from this shoulder. Connect it straight to that where the what? Half inches is. Have you seen it?
Yes.
Then you meet this bust and this side with your curve ruler. Do you understand? Are you seeing it now? So from here now, I'm going to connect it to this place. Do you understand?
Yes.
So my sleeve here is what? Let me check. The total sleeve I have is I have 10. Do you know why I usually like to confirm my sleeve very well? So that I'm still in the right place. This is like 10.3. So by the time I remove half here, I'll still be left with 10 or 9.75. So it's good for my armor. And after that, what are we going to take? Yeah, 2 inches allowance. Yes. So after adding to the 2 inches allowance, what are we going to do? Measurements on this underbust. What do we do Round under bust plus what? So my round under bust is 28. 28 plus 5. 33 divided by 4. We have 8.25, right? You add your what? 2 inches allowance. So my waist there, we are using what I use for my bust for my waist. Because of what? A size 3. My waist is smaller than my bust. So I'm using what I use for this bust for my waist. So for those of you that your bust is 34, your waist is 36. Your waist is bigger than your bust. You don't use what you use for your bust for waist. You add 5. You know we added 5 to this place. So you will add 5 to the waist too. Do you understand? For somebody that their waist is bigger than their bust. This one is usually for maybe this mama. You understand? So but for all of you, what we use for the bust, we use this for the waist. So it's what? 9.5. Say your waist is bigger than. Oh yeah. So do you understand now?
Yes.
Then we go to the hip. You see this my hip now? My hip is 39. I'll be adding 6 inches to my hip. So do you understand? Bust add 3 inches. Under bust add 5 inches. Waist, use what you use for your bust for your waist. And hip add 6 inches. So my hip is what? 39 plus that is 45. 45 divided by 4, we have 11.25. You mark it, then here add your 2 inches. Have you seen it? So now please, you see this down? It depends on how you want it. Like me, I like my A line to be straight from my hip. Like whatever is in my hip should be the down because it's short. So what did I have here? Now we have what? 11.25. So it's still the same 11.25 I'm going to be using. Do you understand? The same 11.25. I'm going to give you an exception now. Have you seen it? It's just going to be straight. So an exception is if you want your dress to look like a line, you can extend it out, just like the way you extend your blouse under. Another one is for those of you that want to sew long gown. Once you measure your length like this, let's say this your length, the long gown stops somewhere here. So anyhow you want this down to be will determine the measurement you want here. If you want a straight, you know there's a straight kaftan from your hip is straight. What do they do to those type of kaftan? They split it by the side so that you can walk. Do you understand? That is one type of kaftan. Another type of kaftan is just like the way I'm saying here too, that I want it straight. I don't want it too big. I don't want it free. So if you want your own free, the least you can actually do, you can use maybe 30 for the down. That is going to be 15 if you divide it by 2. That can still make you walk small, or 34. But if you want it straight, like anything you have in your hip, you just want it straight, so you just extend it small straight, you will need to split it by the side. So let's assume we are using 15. 15 for the down. Then we add what? 2 inches. So I'm going to teach you how to connect it. You understand? Or we want to use 17. This is 17 and we add what? 2 inches. I'll teach you to. So now please let's go back to all the markings we did. You know now we want to connect all these things together. Please pay attention at this junction. Pay attention at this what? Junction. So from your bust down to the under bust, it's going to be a sharp straight. It's going to be a what? Sharp straight. Have you seen it? Then from your under bust to your waist, it's still also going to be a what? Sharp straight. Have you seen it? Then you see from this your waist to your hip, it's not going to be a straight line. Do you know why? What is happening here? Curve. Or have you seen somebody that is just straight like this? So you are using, that is where these things come to play. Are you listening? Inside there is for armhole. here is for your curving outside, because our shape did not curve very well. It's only if you go and do BBL that you will look like this. This is usually how our curve is. So this is where you are using. Connect this side and this side. Make it look curvy a bit. Have you seen it? Yeah. So you connect it. Have you seen it? Yes. Do you understand? Or I should start again?
Yes.
Okay. So from here now, you connect it to. You know me, I want it straight. You see this place you are using, no, don't go and do straight though. Once you do straight, what will happen? By the time you curve here, to just do chow. You see here you are doing, but you are using the down part like this. Have you seen it? You see the down part of it. Connect it like this. Do we understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then this your allowance, like I said, whatever is in the measurements that is in this upper parts, right? That is what you'll be taking here. What do we have here? 13.4. Take it back here, 13.4. You see it has come out small. So you connect it to that place. Do you know why? Because by the time you fold it, when you fold this, the two will stop here. So it starts to align. If you cut it straight, what will happen by the time you fold it? It will reduce. So you always make sure you measure here so you get accurate stuff. Do you understand to this stage?
Yes.
You understand to this stage? So for people that want to sew straight line, please. You see, if you want to sew your straight line, this one won't be enough for us. From your hip, from your what? Hip. That is where you are connecting to whatever you want to do. Do you understand?
Yes.
Please let me hold this. So from this hip now, you connect it as straight line because it's supposed to look like a line, right? Just connect it like that. Mark it. Have you seen it? So just going to look a. If you still want it wider, you still connect it to from your hip. Then, if you are connecting from your hip, wait. If you are connecting from your hip, there's limits to how wide it can be. If you're gonna make it too wide and you are connecting from your hip, this is how it will be. Like it will just be like this. If you want it very wide, that is where boo-boo come to play. There's different type of boo-boo. There's one that the bust will be fitted. From the bust to under bust. From this under bust, connect it down. So it's maybe 50 or 100 deal. Shall make sure it's from this under bust to connect to the wideness. Then there's another one that's no fitted. Dayawuni. Yes, those ones they used to do it normal cutting like this. It's just the neck. So do you understand? Do you know the difference between bubu and kaftan now?
Yes.
I shall explain again. Okay. So wait. This is kaftan, like a free top. Kaftan is usually like the upper part will still look a bit shapy, right? Then the down part is free. It's free, but it will look shapy. You know, you can still see the curve. But for bubu, you're not seeing any curve. They've hide. You cannot tell that this person is slim, this person is fat from bubu because it's big. So there's two type of kaftan. There's one that it will be fitted from up, and from this under bust is very free. Then there's one that everything will still be straight, that it will still be showing the shape of your hip. This one now, what I want to do now is showing the shape of my hip. The one I told you that you can do from here is just going to show your bust shape. It will not show what is inside your yansh. We will not know whether you have bum bum or not. But this one, it will still show that you have yansh. You have bum bum. Do you understand?
Yes.
So the one we want to sew now is this one that will still show your shape. Do you understand? So if you want to cut it as short, I already explained how you can cut it as short. If you want to cut it as long, I already explained. Then another type of short is that you see that me, I make my own straight because I want it shapy. You can still extend your hand outside if you want it free. Like you should just be like this. Me, I want it like this. Like as this cloth is like, she just stand straight. Do you understand? Eh?
No,
You will walk.
you can walk.
Measure 36. Any walking, is this not where movement is?
Yeah.
So anything that comes above your knee, you can walk anyhow you want. Is anything that past this knee that is restricting your knee that you won't be able to walk. So what me I want to sew now is not up to my knee. I know Iya Jesu, but them are koja knee, so extend it. Don't do.
you are
But you
not
have bum now. Your bum is for 49.
No, 49.
So go your koto now.
That be
You can just extend by 1 inches so you can, because I know you want it to pass your knee. So my own 36, I like my free distance to be short because that is the beauty. But I'm not teaching you rubbish. You do it the same way your mommy will like it. So let's cut it out. Can we go ahead? What do you want to ask me? This is the folding, 2 inches folding. The down part. Shey you not fold it. And this is it. I measure it so that tó bá máa fold ẹ̀ ń sìn ọmọ tó bá fold ibi tá bá ṣe equally tó bá fold ẹ̀ kò ní dé bíbí báyìí so gbọ́dọ̀ measure nǹkan tó wà níbí láti fi get it. Èwo ń bẹ̀? No, this one mo sọ pé the least tẹ́lẹ̀ lò is 15. 15 ni least tẹ́lẹ̀ lò tó ẹ pẹ́ lè rìn ẹ lè ṣe 70 ẹ lè ṣe 20 bó bá ṣe wù mo sọ fún nǹkan tẹ́ máa ṣe láti hip lẹ máa gbé tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe kó fẹ́ jù highest tẹ́lẹ̀ lò is 20 tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe kó fẹ́ jù that means shape hip yín ò ní ṣòmù
so my
going to start
after that my 15 inches
ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ fi sewing allowance so ma ẹ lè wait
before adding the allowance we have to at the right now we have to write my post my post my hip my waist. I have to write
4
I'll now add 3
inches
that's the one that I say that before we cut to add 5
yes wait so this one now my main bust is out of the equation. The main bust in this scenario is 38. Do you understand? Because we want it free. Do you understand? By the time I shape this thing now, my bust is going to be 38. Do you understand? I already had that. You see this one now is fitted. If I wanted to do this fitted, I'm going to use my main bust to divide this, to put this. So my bust is 35, Abi. So that's divided by 4 is 8.75. So it's 8.75 I'll use, but I'm not saying fitted. So the main bust, before you start cutting, you would have added 3 inches to your bust. That is now your actual bust you want to use. Your waist, hip, you would have had 6 inches. Let me write it out so you will understand. So where is my measurement? This is my measurements, right? Bust 35. This is my actual bust. My actual under bust is what? 28, right? This is my actual under bust. This is my actual bust. My actual hip is what? 39. This is my actual. But for kaftan, you cannot make use of all these measurements because you won't be able to wear it. This is how you do inside. My hanging, you won't be able. So you'll be adding 3 inches for everybody, no matter how that person is big. 3 bust plus 3 inches, 38, right? So this is now the bust in this segment now. Before you know am. So for hip, you are adding 6 inches, which is what? 45. So this is now the actual hip we need now for this dress. Then for under bust, wait first, you add 5. 5 plus 28 is what? 33. So this is the actual under bust we need for this segment. Sure you understand? It's not this one that you now start dividing before you now add your 2 inches allowance. Do Okay.
Sorry. What she's asking, I think she's asking if like after measuring your main measurement, if like 3 inches for the freeness, for the 2 inches.
No, we don't do that. I
That's not
understand.
even what I'm doing.
Okay.
I have to divide my bust measure.
Actual boss, you now add. No, we don't do that. What we did now? Please off that thing. What we do now is, what we did now is, after actual boss, we add 1.5 because we want it to fit. I understand what you are saying. She want her own a bit wider than what we want. So if we want to use your own 3 inches without your wideness, it's going to be 6. I'll be adding to my bust. Do you understand? Instead of 3, it's going to be 6. So you can also do that. Huh?
You said it's going to be 6.
Yes, now Shebi say if you want to make your boo free, you used to add 3 inches to your side. Ṣé wà okay? Máa gbá yín létí. Are you okay?
No, I don't know what to say.
So as I was saying, if you want your own to be 3 year together with your busts.
I've already had the sewing allowance.
Okay, you've asked saying hours to that theory. No. That means it's 1 she adds. That means it's 2 you're adding. Because we now see, we've added 3, right?
Yes.
So this is it. We now add 2. So it's 1.5 that is there. Plus that 2 is what? So we'll be adding 3.5. Do you understand now? Because for each side is 1.5 that we are adding to each side. Then our allowance for sewing, we don't used to add it from initial. Do you understand? We make sure we get our main distance before we add sewing allowance. You understand now? Do you know the reason why you need to do it this way? So that you can get your accurate armhole. If you don't do it this way, your armhole might not be accurate. It's only if you are using free hand that you will get an accurate armhole. Do you understand? Who wants to ask me a question again?
Sister Paulina.
Okay. Who wants to ask question again?
Okay, sorry, I have a question to ask. This armor now is 35. Busting in 35.
No, this armor now is for bus 38.
Okay, bus 38. 35 here plus 38 divided by 6, then you are be after that.
No. 35 plus 3 divided by 6.
But normally, I man say divided by 6 plus 2.
Yes, now that is what I did. Okay, wait, we are getting confused here. Like I said now, the bus we are using here is what? 38. So 35 me, what is there if saying?
That's for the petrol.
Ṣó ti yín bẹ́ẹ̀. So ẹ lè lo 35 ẹ̀ mọ́. The only reason why tẹ́ fi máa need actual bus ni so ẹ máa mọ̀ pé ẹ máa add 3 mọ́. Ṣó ti yín? Tí bọ́ọ̀sì bá jẹ́ 49 sìn, tẹ́ bá add 3, that is 52. 52 lẹ fẹ́ lò fún gígé yìí. Ẹ need the 49 yín mọ́. 52 lẹ need. Ṣó ti yín? Your shoulder is not straight now. It's only if you are like this.
Last time you like this go is not straight up.
Okay, yes.
Okay, my own don't worry. Leave my shoulder like that.
Wait, your measurement is not.
Shut up. I'll reduce. Shut up.
But it was 40 for
Ẹgbẹ́ mi lọ. I used to reduce. Ṣé ọ̀gbọ́n ni? Iṣẹ́ tí mo ṣe tó kí n reduce ni. Me, I used to fluctuate. Today I might be 40, tomorrow I'll be 39. Then so. Wo. Ṣó ti rí? Mo ti jò. Ọjọ́ ta rán kíni ẹ̀ ṣe bí 40. Mo máa èmi ò ní 42 rí ṣe wà okay.
Oga, she is
39, 40.
39, 40. And her shoulder is between
15, 14. Oh yeah, so as I say, is there any other question before I cut it? So auntie, you can't cut this now. Do you know why? Because like you see that the way I'm doing it, they're even correcting me because they've moved past this upper part. Do you understand? So we are going to start from there. Do you understand? Like I said, your first practical is going to be gather skirts. So it's just that we are in our class now and we are teaching this, we are here. So by the time I'm done with them now, you will stay. You and our people. They teach Mama ti ṣe, but me ò show. So I'm going to say it again here now. Do you understand? So can I cut my gown now?
yes.
Chesa lẹ́yìn ti yé yín. How many people is doing long gown?
Dami, torí tó bá fẹ́ lọ kírun.
Okay, and who?
Àti Tọ́pẹ́.
Me, I'm doing show.
Okay.
Ojú jábá o.
Oh yeah, let's cut. We are cutting it, oh. You guys should be looking at the way I'm cutting it, oh. So we'll cut. Yes, any neck, oh. The neck is your preference. Hey,
Which one? So you are fat a lot. Okay.
yes, back and front is the same. Back and front is what? So that you can be able to wear it. Neck is different though. If you should make your front, let me tell you the scope of neck. If you should make the front part of your neck, if you should make it low, back should be. If you should make back low, front should be high. I don't understand why some people will make here low, back low.
Everything low.
Before you know, your shoulder will be falling down. Do you understand?
And there's a one put on food. They are folding their fabric.
Yes, now.
Only
Say you know.
It's not
You are folding your fabric, oh.
It's not everybody that gets it.
She has a point.
See, now you get them. Now you get them. Some people feel go cut like this. Before.
Any neck. Yes. Anyhow you want to make. Which station? Then I'll go do the cheapest one. Oh yeah. Are you guys seeing it? So this is how it's going to look like by the time I'm done. Yes. Two. Remember that is doing ironing, they show off it immediately. Hold. Next, the same thing. So please, like we said, your neck, if you want your neck high here and high at the back, what will you do? You will slit it at that back so you can do buttons, so that your head can enter. Don't go and do what you will suffocate. Have you tried to wear club before and hang here? What happened to you? You even kind. I can faint. It's suffocation. So don't go and do your neck and you start suffocating. Please, me, I'll not be there when you're wearing the clothes. Please, if you want to do sweetheart, don't traumatize me without your sweetheart. Bring it down small. You know I don't want to show your potential cleavage. Just small like this. Not the one that you do like this.
Like someone like me now, can I come that by 9 inches?
Hello, we are 8 or 7.5. Come on, show you 7. Put your into us.
Yes. Bí wẹ́ẹ̀ bí súnmọ́ lè lo 9.
Ọ̀pọ̀ lọ́yàn àyà ló wà lẹ́nu ìpínlẹ̀. Hello 8. Then bí báyìí hello we are 5.5. Get to connect.
Oh yeah.
What do you want to ask?
Sometimes when you come to your shoulder,
There's a problem. It's not supposed to go back instead of coming first. So there's a problem. She said once she saw her shoulder, it will go back. There's a problem. I really can't tell, but it's when you are cutting it. You're not adding. Anyhow, my own is that this is the one that I said it should be the same. This is what I want. So your neck, your hand, your design, make it your signature. I'm not going to force my neck onto you. So you can do any neck you want to do. You can do any sleeve you want to do.
You know, you share it.
Wait. It's not also sweetheart. Please, make it sweet. Please.
Ele bitter.
Let me even do it. Where is the neck? If I want to do sweetheart for myself. Where is Byro? So my neck distance I want to use 3 inches like this, right? Yeah, 3 inches. Yeah, 3 inches. So the length of my middle, I want it to be no 7.5. So yeah, I want it to be 5.25. Mark this place straight, right? Mark it straight. Where is your curve ruler?
Ma, please, I need sister.
Eh?
Sister.
Go and meet Precious.
I've met her. She said she did not catch.
20,000. Where is the 20,000 we gave her? Go and ask her. Have you seen it? Use your curve ruler to get your curve so that you don't traumatize us here. Have you seen it? Like this. Also, this one is one type of sweetheart. There's another type that you can just make a curve a bit. Have you seen it? Just curve it like this, a bit. Some people do it like this. Some do it curve. It's okay. By the time I do this one now, it will stay put very well. Not sweetheart that you are doing like this. What are you sweeting like this? It's no longer sweet. Oh yeah, please, we can move. We are done with our class.
Music finish. Let me collect it.
Send the account, let her do transfer. You can move, let the new students stay here, please. Shebi, you understand? You all know how to cut sleeve now.